Hi, I'm designer Richie Holmes Grant, and I've got $1,000 to help people reboot their outdoor space.
Yeah!
But they're gonna have to put in the work. This is Outdoor Upgrade.
Hi,
we're the Moideen family. We live in Marshfield, Massachusetts, about 20 minutes south of Boston. This is our first home that we bought as a family.
We bought this house as like a fixer-upper, and there's so many projects that still need to be done inside the house that we haven't had a chance to put our money towards the outdoors just yet, the backspace.
Hi guys, I'm Richie. I'm so excited to meet you both.
Hi.
Hey, how are you?
Tell me what your ideal vision is of this space.
We actually have a pretty big family, and the house itself, the dining area inside isn't so big. So our vision was to have a place outdoors when the family comes to visit. I definitely like more of a modern look.
And Manish, what about a cooking area over there? Are we thinking that?
I imagined something attached to the grill. Like I thought of building out a little countertop space with, just a little cooking area for me.
And then what about the kids? You have 2 kids, right?
Yes, Inaya, she's 7, and Amar, who is 13 months now. Inaya loves lights, so I was thinking of incorporating that somewhere.
If we had a space or something along the lines of like a propane fire pit or something.
All right, guys, I think I have everything I need. I can't wait to show you my ideas. So I just finished my first draft for Henna and Manish, and the total with everything they wanted came to over $5,000, which is way over budget. So now I'm just gonna have to focus on their must-haves. I knew we needed seating for their large extended family, outdoor lighting for Henna, a cooking station for Manish, and a fire pit. For the dining area, a bench can allow flexible seating and was more affordable, which brought my table cost down to $149. Henna wanted perimeter lighting, but it turns out this was also too pricey at $250. Okay, so I just found the most amazing umbrella. It's got LED lights inside, so it'll give daytime shade and twinkle lights at night. Plus, it brought the cost down from $250 to only 99 bucks. I'm doing my happy dance. So the money I saved with the umbrella light combo can go towards a cooking station for Manish. Although that money wouldn't really cover a full-blown cooking area, I got the idea to weatherproof a piece of indoor furniture. This ran me $72, and my remaining budget for everything else was a little over $530. I'll keep all the special decor like plants and pillows because they really do make a difference in any space. I had already used up nearly $740, and I still had a fire pit and sectional on the list with only a little over $260 left to work with. Most fire pits are actually quite affordable, but they're wood burning. Henna and Manish have a wooden deck, so that's not gonna work because safety first. So I've gotta find a propane fire pit. I've looked online, I've just left my 3rd outdoor furniture store, and they're all just way too expensive. So I think I've gotta nix it completely. I can't leave out a sectional for them to lounge on, especially when their large extended family comes to visit. I got to work and found a $400 option, which clearly was not going to work. So I did some crazy digging and found a similar option for, drumroll please, $263, which took my total to a perfect $1,000 on the dot. I'm hoping they'll be happy with how I got creative to stay within the budget while still giving them most of what they wanted.
Pow! Here's the couch put together. It's kind of cool. You can break them apart and use them independently. But I'm just worried about this little guy over here. This little guy jumping on the couch and possibly separating them and falling in between.
All right, so we have this all set up. Super excited to open up the table. Let's do this. And Amar's gonna join us. Feels really nice.
Yeah. should probably read the instructions.
So we just unboxed the bench and pretty much the same style as the table. The base is this teak finish. Manisha's gonna put that together. In the meantime, I'm going to open up this box over here. So what is this called? The poof. We received, what is that? What do we stuff it with?
Fluff.
There's a name for it. What is it?
Fluff.
It's not fluff. So it was polyfill. This is like the fluff that we're gonna use to stuff the pillows.
Hi guys, how's everything been going since the last time we spoke?
I'm so glad we're talking to you right now because we had a few questions.
What's up?
The couches that we got, they separate into 4 pieces here. So one of the issues that I thought I might have is the baby falling in between the couches while he's playing.
So what you have is a sectional, which is great for entertaining because you can have it as one whole piece or you can break it into different pieces. What we're going to do is send you some zip ties, which you can actually use around the base so they will always be in one piece.
Sounds good?
Yeah.
When the table came, I was thinking like, how is the lighter wood gonna match the darker wood? Because I'm all like matchy kind of. It just goes really well together.
Well, it was so great to check in with you guys. Good luck on the rest of it.
The rug for outside.
They have a wide open space. And when you have a space like that, the best way to make it feel full is to create different areas.
Okay, so we're gonna be opening up this kitchen cart. It's gonna go next to the barbecue grill.
Hi, Moideen family. I'm so excited to see your space, guys.
We are so excited to show you. Are you ready to see it?
I am. I'm so ready. Oh, wow. Oh, look at the fire pit. Oh my God.
I can have a fire pit.
I am not easily impressed, guys, but you did a fantastic job. Do you feel like this is going to be a great space for entertaining?
Yes, that's the one thing that we are looking forward to the most.
If you could go back to day 1 when we first started, tell me what you have learned since then.
Procrastination is bad.
And now I want to talk about a little surprise that you guys had for me, the fire pit. It looks so great there.
So we loved your vision. We loved how you brought everything together, and that was the one missing piece. So we really wanted to purchase that and add it to the deck to kind of make it all come together.
You guys, your space looks so amazing. I so wish that I could be there to see it in person.
Well, let's go take a look again.